Okay, so once na galing na kayo sa BitGet app, so kailangan nyo lang gawin is to trade futures, and then from there, makikita nyo si BOM USDT. So, click nyo lang si BOM, type nyo BOM USDT, and then yan. So, papupunta tayo dito sa daily time frame. So, ang time frame natin, so once nandito ka na sa app and galing ka sa daily time frame, punta ka ngayon sa 15-minute time frame. So, ito yung magiging time frame mo for trading, no? So ang kailangan mong gawin is to wait for the level around this level sa support. So ang target level natin to buy is around 0.14193. So okay, so pagdating naman sa patterns, so naghihintay ng patterns, dito tayo maghihintay ng pullback niya. So pag pumunta yung price around this level, kung wala kang limit, then this is where you want to take your order. So for stop loss, ito na may stop loss natin. So for target, gusto natin mag-sell lang. So for target level, ito lang yung gusto nating level na conservative. Pero if you want further targets, okay lang din. So gawin mo lang is you want to sell at least 80% ng position mo. And then iwan mo na lang yung 20%. So ayun, that's it. So that's all mga traders. If you're going to trade, always remember,